Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Binance and Trust Wallet updated. Open Trust Wallet, tap Settings, choose Wallet Connect, then open Binance and scan the QR code to pair. Confirm the connection on both apps and approve only the required permissions. Keep your recovery phrase offline and never share it. If a site asks for private keys, close it immediately. I'll walk you through safety checks and a quick test transfer to verify. Start by reviewing the Binance authorization screen carefully and confirm the wallet address matches Trust Wallet. Use the correct network to avoid lost funds and decline any approvals that ask for spending beyond your intent. I recommend approving small test transfers first to confirm everything works. Keep your app updated and enable app lock for extra safety. I'll also show how to disconnect and revoke sessions after you finish using them. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more guides and updates. Quick recommendation: Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes multitasking easier while you manage crypto. It's a handy gadget to keep your desk tidy during trades. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. If Wallet Connect fails, restart both Trust Wallet and Binance and retry scanning the QR code. Make sure both apps are updated and camera permissions are enabled. If issues persist, clear cache or reboot your device, then test with a small transfer. For stubborn problems, try using another phone to scan the code or switch networks from cellular to Wi-Fi. I'll guide you through each step so you can reconnect confidently and securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.